FitLab PGH is a podcast about movement because movement should be a lifestyle, not just an activity. We know that part of life is job, family, friends, and other responsibilities, so maybe you can't make it to that favorite fitness facility or that favorite class, but you can spend a little bit of money and set up some sort of a suspension trainer somewhere in your house. I'm a little crazy. I've got it set up in my living room, a set of gymnastic rings. I can take them down relatively quickly, but they're here, so there's no excuse for me not to do any sort of resistance training a couple times a week. It gives me the opportunity to make movement part of my lifestyle, and it fits into my lifestyle, which involves movement, as you can see from the variety of kettlebells that I also keep in my living room. So make movement a priority, move more, and try more ways to move. Another message from FitLab PGH.